Good morning, y'all. As you can see from the title of this video, they tried to steal my truck. I'm gonna go show you guys what happened. I woke up. First of all, you guys saw the other day, I was literally just putting cameras up. So I was putting cameras up, and you know, I put the cameras up for a reason, because people don't know how to act and shit. And look. So I got the camera up there. I got the camera right here. And then I got the camera right here on the tree. And some fool, and put the clips right here. I guess some fool pulls up and he just creeps up, walks up to the truck, and I don't, well, like, you can't really steal nothing, so it ain't got no stereo. There's nothing in here, there's nothing in there. I took the subs out. You should have took my microphone, guy. What is this? What was you doing? What's going on here? Hold up, guys. I'm gonna explain inside. It's a little chilly. Okay, so I think it's funny because I'm kind of just like, you know, I'm kicking it. I'm sleeping. So me and Sam, we went to the gym yesterday and we were out till like 1 a.m. right? 1 a.m. I go to sleep like at 1:30 or something. And I'm tired, and I go to sleep. This is my fault. I go to sleep with AirPods on every single night. You know, I listen to videos, I listen to basketball shit, you know, to go to sleep because I have trouble sleeping. And then this was around 3:30, and my guy was there for like 10 minutes. And then he's with this girl or something. So you see a Jeep pull up. He tells his girl, "Hey, let's go steal that truck or something." You know, I don't know the conversation would be, but she like pulls in all the way into my driveway, almost ruins my mom's little garden and shit. And then they kind of park like this. He gets out, he looks, you know, like nobody's ever done that shit, you know. He opens the door, and then he's in there with I don't know, he's in there with the cuchara, he's in there with the screwdriver or something, but he's in there for a minute, like. And what sucks is that I had my AirPods on. I would have heard it because the camera, since there's 3 cameras, they're going off. Like I saw the notifications when I didn't even look at my phone actually when I woke up. So I woke up at 8 a.m. That's why I was saying that we got home late, because I was tired. And then so my mom wakes me up. She's like, "Oh, like move your truck so I could take this one out." And then I'm lazy. I'm tired. I'm like tired. I couldn't even get up. So I was like, "Here," I gave her the keys. I'm like, "You move it." And then she calls me. She's like, "How do you expect me to move it if it's all broken?" And I was like, "Man, that's what tripping." She's always saying that it's broken or something. I was like, what would it be broken on? And she probably just couldn't turn it on or something. And then, you know, like 10 minutes later, I come downstairs and I'm like, "Oh, I'm gonna go move it." And I see the ignition's broken. I'm like, holy shit. And then I go look at the cameras, and I go get my phone actually first, and I see all the notifications from like from 3:30 all the way to like 3:40, just like in a row, because if there's movement, it's gonna keep like going. And that's my fault for, you know, sleeping with AirPods. If I didn't sleep with AirPods on, I would have had a million things wake me up. What would have been smart to do? I don't know. You could scare them, you know, you could do the little alarm, or, you know, you could sneak up. You could sneak up on them. Ooh, I wish, man. I wish. All right, no more sleeping with AirPods. You know, matter of fact, I'm leaving the window open all night, man. Y'all pull up today, man. It's about to be Chicago 2012, man, up in here. I dare y'all to pull up again. But nah. I wish they would have turned it on, though. If they would have turned it on, you know, I would have heard a loud ass truck. First of all, that truck it's not plugged in. I don't plug that truck in at night because it turns on either way, but it's gonna struggle to turn on, first of all. And by the time it turns on, the whole house waking up, because that shit loud as hell. And then if you try dipping, let's say he was gonna try to dip or something, that truck is not going over like 5 miles an hour unless you let it warm up. Like, it's just gonna like, you know, it's over, man. But that's tough. Anyways, if anybody lives in Colorado, and I don't know, that it's because it has like a what is that? Like a bike rack or something in the back, so you can't really see it. But if anybody knows that Jeep, if anybody for some reason I'm gonna like zoom into the guy and stuff. If for some reason anybody can notice the guy, you know, go ahead and tell me. If you know where he lives, even better. Let's go talk. But guys, yeah, do me that favor, you know, share the video somewhere, show your people here in Colorado and Denver where, you know, cause it's bad luck, man. I literally got my truck crashed into a week ago, and now this happens. So it's tough. It's tough out here. That's it, guys. Just a little quick video about my my stress. It's too early to be this stressed on a Friday morning, man. I was trying to start off my Friday morning good. It's tough. That's tough. But thanks, guys, for watching. You know, share the video. Let's find this dude. Let's find their vehicle. Catch you guys next video. Peace.